ऐसी चीज़ें निकल आती हैं जो आपको भी सरप्राइज करती है. आई एम लाइक अच्छा मैंने टेक इट ड्यूरिंग ऐसा कर दिया बिकॉज आई एम so much there and so much living her life, you know, drop of makeup, so there's no makeup on my face. They gave me a box where I had 2 pair of jeans, 3-4 tops and 1-2 jackets और उन्होंने बोला 45 days. Even when I came to Bombay as a teenager and started working, I was very innocent, very naive. I may be still innocent, but I'm not naive anymore. I think nobody can take me for a ride or fool me now. No second in my life where I don't remember her, where I don't miss her, and she was the emotional support system in my life, you know. And if I lost her, I think there's nothing else left. I just feel that anything else.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with the sweetest and the prettiest Divya Khosla and for her upcoming film Savi. So nice to have you.
Thank you.
And I have to say that trailer में it's looking very refreshing. Your character is looking something जो हमने पहले नहीं देखा है. So it's very nice to see you in this avatar. I want to start by asking you कि एक फेज़ है इस मूवी में जहाँ पे यू आर मेंट टू बी इन एन इमोशनली वेरी डार्क साइड. आप अपने आप को उस जोन में कैसे लाए?
So for me, the prep begins with me becoming the character. जब मैं खुद सावी बन जाऊँ, you know, and the prep starts in my head like 2 months before. जब मेरे पास script आती है तो I start reading the script again and again and again. Finding what was her background, what's her life, what is the emotions she's going through, what is her journey, what's the pain, what's the high, what's the low. So I think जब तक मैं set पे जाती हूँ I make sure कि मैं वो character बन जाऊँ. And I think आप जब सावी को देखोगे तो आप सिर्फ सावी को ही देखोगे. इससे पहले जो यारियाँ 2 आई थी, आप किसी भी एंगल से लाडली को सावी में नहीं देख पाओगे और सावी को लाडली में नहीं देख पाओगे. दे आर सो पोल्स अपार्ट. सो फॉर मी इट्स बिकमिंग दैट कैरेक्टर. एंड कई बार मैं परफॉर्म कर रही होती हूँ सेट पर एंड व्हेन आई गो एंड सी माई टेक्स सो इट सरप्राइजेज मी ऑल्सो, क्योंकि जब आप परफॉर्म करते हैं और आप वो कैरेक्टर होते हैं तो कई ऐसी चीज़ें निकल आती हैं जो आपको भी सरप्राइज करती है. आई एम लाइक अच्छा मैंने टेक इट ड्यूरिंग ऐसा कर दिया बिकॉज आई एम so much there and so much living her life, you know. Obviously it does such, if you go by this route it affects you mentally also at times.
I'm sure.
But I am like that. I'm a kind of person who puts too much pressure on my own self. Yeah, but then it's also creatively satisfying जब आप at the end of the day. हाँ, yeah.
बट यू नो दिव्या, जब भी हम आपको देखते हैं देयर इज़ अ वेरी स्वीट गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर वाइब व्हेन वी लुक एट यू. और आपने रोल्स भी कहीं ना कहीं उस तरह के किए, बट दिस अवतार ऑफ योर्स इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट. हाउ डिड यू एवर फील कि ऑडियंस शायद मुझे इस अवतार में कैसे एक्सेप्ट करने वाली, क्योंकि उन्होंने आज तक मुझे एक बहुत ही गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर वाइब में देखा है?
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट. आई ऑलवेज थिंक कि मैं क्या करूँ जो मुझे चैलेंज करेगा, यू नो, समथिंग विच इज़ डिफरेंट फॉर मी, विच इज़ चैलेंजिंग, विच इज़ नेवर, आई हैव नेवर डन समथिंग लाइक दिस बिफोर. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ कॉन्शियस डिसीजन फॉर मी ऑल्सो for the kind of scripts that I pick up. So after Yariyan 2, I did want to pick up a script like that जो मुझे completely different दिखाए. Now Savi is a woman जिसकी life में एक ऐसी tragedy हो गई है जो she's trying to fight that she's got no time to look at her face in the mirror. So my director didn't want a drop of makeup, so there's no makeup on my face. They gave me a box where I had 2 pair of jeans, 3-4 tops and 1-2 jackets और उन्होंने बोला 45 days इसमें काम चलाओ. तो in 45 days in UK I lived through that wardrobe. But that's how it is. Normal middle class families में, you know, you have only those many clothes. और अगर ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा तो where will the woman have the time to see कि what is she picking up and what is she wearing. So I'm wearing all मतलब अजीबो गरीब mismatched clothes, but that's how it is. जो हाथ में आया पहन लिया. And yeah, and the most important thing is her mission कि how this ordinary housewife makes this extraordinary impossible plan to break into the most difficult prison of UK.
बट जैसे आपने ट्रेलर लॉन्च में भी कहा था कि यू नो यू आर वेरी ओके अगर आप मेकअप नहीं पहनते हो.
जी.
बट ये कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से आता है? Because you said that you like yourself without makeup.
Yeah, I like myself more without makeup than with makeup. And I think I'm not a makeup person. मेरे पास है भी नहीं. Like, and I don't even know how to do my own makeup. And मेरे पास है भी नहीं. I don't have any liner, any lipstick, any blush on, nothing. So I have one mascara and I have one concealer NARS का. That's it. And lip balm है and I
And
don't
you're
have
good
a
to go.
Good to go. Yeah, I don't have a liner also.
You don't need also.
I don't like only.
No, but that's nice. But you know, जैसे we even see in this trailer that एक औरत अपने पति के लिए कितना दुनिया से लड़ झगड़ के she's putting herself through so much and she's actually doing something for her family. What is that thing about Divya that she does for her family? Because we see a very different side जहाँ पे आप movies में हो, we see you at the airport. But what is the housewife side of Divya? That is a lesser known fact.
See, in every role of mine, I put my 1000%, and I think my either I'm on my set shooting or in my I'm in my house. I don't really waste my time attending events. I'm not the kind of person who would get ready with makeup outfit and rosy paps करने चली गई हूँ या event attend कर रही हूँ या कोई award shows attend कर रही हूँ. I'm very non-social that way. Either I'm shooting on the set and whatever time I have, I want to be at home. So that is my life and that is how I am in real life. And
But what's a normal day look? What does it look like? What does Divya at home look like?
I think the best thing about my day is obviously spending time playing with my kid. That
Yeah.
gives me a lot of happiness.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's my time where I can fully, any kind of stress I have in life, if I play with my child, it just melts
It goes
away.
away.
Yeah,
Absolutely. You know, a lot of people even love your airport looks and the kind of bags you carry on the airport. बहुत ही चर्चा होती है इस बात पे, paps पे, comments में. Do you ever read them? Do you ever go through what people are saying about your
No,
outfits?
I don't.
You don't?
No, I don't much. In fact, recently बहुत मेरा distance हो गया social media से. कई बार मैं 2 months गायब हो जाती हूँ. I don't do any post. And at times I'm telling my girl कि do you do a post on my handles? At times I do, but I don't go to don't go to other handles and read or yeah.
All of that, just whatever comes on your page probably.
Yeah. If my fans are doing something, tagging me or something, on those likes which comes,
Yeah.
then I kind of repost.
Yeah.
अगर they are the creatives they are making because वो इतना hard work करके बना रहे होते हैं.
बिल्कुल. But do you ever get affected with whatever is written on social media about
No,
you,
not at all.
on your comments
Not
or
at all,
anything? और
no,
उस हिसाब से शायद आप अपना style change कर लो या
No, I won't
Never.
do that. I would only do what I feel comfortable in. I won't. मेरी picture सनम रे में भी एक dialogue था कि बड़े शहरों में शायद इसलिए इतना शोर होता है ताकि कोई अपनी दिल की आवाज़ सुन ना पाए. So I always listen to my heart and yeah.
And we are lastly, I even want to understand that this particular film also talks, there's a woman who's like an ordinary woman in a middle class family working in a house, and then she becomes this extraordinary person who's fighting for everything that's coming her way. Has Divya ever been the person who's probably hesitant to speak, but you've grown stronger with time?
See, when I was born, that time as a little girl, I was a very nervous, scared kind of a girl. So my mom put me in a hostel when I was in 3rd and 4th, ताकि मैं थोड़ी smarter ना हो. And over the years, even when I came to Bombay as a teenager and started working, I was very innocent, very naive. I may be still innocent, but I'm not naive anymore. I think nobody can take me for a ride or fool me now. So I have become very fearless in my life. I'm a very fearless person. And I'm a fighter. Like I feel कि कोई भी मुझे हरा नहीं सकता, कोई मुझे गिरा नहीं सकता, कोई मुझे तोड़ नहीं सकता. There's no person, there's no event, which can do that. I'm that strong inside. And ये जो आप बात कर रहे हो कि maybe some comments, these don't matter at all.
Absolutely.
At all. What matters for me is the feelings I see in my parents' eyes for myself. When I came into this industry, my parents were very hesitant to let me go because from a family from Delhi, coming alone to Bombay and finding her own life. So they had many doubts. They were very hesitant. Now when I see that pride in their eyes with the way I've conducted myself, I think that's the most important thing. इससे बढ़ के कुछ भी नहीं है. People will always keep having different opinions about you, some good, some bad. You can't win everyone over. But if your parents are proud of you, I think that's a win for you in your life.
No, I think that's lovely what you said, and I'm for sure. And how has that fearlessness come? वो time से आता है, experience से आता है. दिव्या की life में how has she become stronger?
I don't know how I have, but I have become totally fearless. Like I'm not scared of anything, not even death. you know. And I think the biggest thing, the biggest loss that happened in my life was the loss of my mother.
Yeah.
So I think that is something which will always remain like a hole in my heart, always keep troubling me. There is no second in my life where I don't remember her, where I don't miss her. And she was the emotional support system in my life, you know. And if I lost her, I think there's nothing else left. I
Absolutely.
just feel that anything else won't matter that much to me, how much this event mattered.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
Sorry, do you want
it's
water?
okay, it's okay, it's fine. It's fine. So that's why, you know, I'm like, I think she was the one who made me fearless. I'm like very strong because she was a very strong woman.
Absolutely.
And, you know, as kids, you end up becoming reflection of your parents.
Parents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think she made me very strong. And since 3 years, actually, we didn't know that this is about to happen in our lives, you know. And since 3 years, I stopped taking emotional support from her because I became stronger. Like
Stronger.
throughout my life, I've been taking emotional support from her, and I don't know how God has His ways, but
Yeah.
3 साल पहले I just stopped, and I became अपने आप से, you know, I became
Yeah.
stronger, and I'm like a cry baby. I cry at the drop of a hat, but अब thankfully मैंने उतना रोना भी बंद कर दिया. Like I don't cry.
Yeah.
And I'm able to, you know, अगर कोई emotional या weak moment हो तो I'm able to go through it without tears coming out of my eyes.
No,
Yeah.
but that's lovely and very, very brave of you to say that. I think that's life. सब life से ही सीखते हैं और जब when
Yeah.
there are incidences that happen, that exactly is something
Yeah.
that makes you stronger. I also have to end up by asking you, people really love to know about how you've always maintained yourself also, and your skin and the way you look, because even with every year, Divya is looking the same. How do you have like a very disciplined diet? Do you like, you know, follow really strict norms for yourself? Do you work out regularly? How does
See,
it happen?
I'm a vegetarian since birth, and I eat only घर का खाना. I most avoid बाहर का खाना. I don't eat junk food. So I think that also helps. And जब आप बाहर बहुत खाते हो तो you know what masalas and all are going. जब आप घर का simple दाल रोटी चावल खाते हो, मैं set पे भी वही खाती हूँ, दाल रोटी चावल सब्जी. And I eat a lot of green vegetables.
Right.
So I think all little everything helps. Yeah.
And do you do a lot of hair care, skin care? stuff like
Not really.
that? Naturally. It is.
Yeah, I make sure that I
Love it.
clean my makeup when I go to sleep. अगर shoot मतलब
Yeah.
ऐसे नहीं करती कि makeup के साथ सो जाती हूँ. तो in all these little things I'm more disciplined, and I do घर का नुस्खाs at times, not too much, but sometimes, like
Sometimes.
putting कच्चा आलू on my face or icing my face.
Right. Yeah,
Yeah.
icing your face. I think
Icing
most
my face.
celebrities
Yeah.
actually get into icing their face a lot.
Yeah.
But thank you so much. It's
Thank
always
you.
lovely talking to you.
Same
and
here.
I have to say that, you know, no, every time I meet you, it's just lovely to interact with you, knowing how down to earth you are.
Thank
with
you
so
so
many films.
much.
So thank you so much for doing.
Hi everyone, this is Divya Khosla, and please do like, share and subscribe to Instant Bollywood.